Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, interviews, and fun, fun, fun. Jamaica is known for many things, and when the image goes into the mind of the persons who hear of our beloved island, they many times think of sand and sun and good food. Yes, like jerk chicken. Oh goodness. Fried fish and festival at Helsha or from my kitchen. Oh my goodness. Why did I even start talking about Jamaican food? This is not about Jamaican food, guys. This is about another aspect of Jamaican life for which we have become very, very, very well known. We're talking about sports, and sports and tourism is a big deal. You have heard the recent names, but we've been making waves as a nation on the sporting scene for decades, ranging from track and field to bobsleigh. Yeah, we still have to talk about bobsleigh, swimming, netball, football. Oh, Jamaicans are tops. And sports tourism is just something that is a must do. We are ready here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited to book your next vacation to Jamaica surrounding our sporting events. We've got boys and girls champs every single Easter. Well, usually the week before Easter, March or April. We've got Gibson Relays. Oh, we've got the Camperdown Classics. We have got the GC Foster Classics, and the list goes on and on. Oh, we've got the triathlon and the grill and the heptathlon, and we've got marathons, and oh, we could tell you more about sports, but if you really, really want to get a bird's eye view as to what sporting events happen in Jamaica, and if you need to really set those vacation plans around sporting Jamaican style, call us now at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun with sports and travel. Ciao for now.